And welcome back to math session. Today here we are going to learn the subject mathematics for the standard 6. Okay. Today here we are going to study to draw an angle bisector using a compass. So we know that this device is called a what? It is a compass. One end is fixed and in second end we can insert the pencil. Okay. So first we already studied what is meant by an angle bisector. Okay. So angle bisector, it is what? Which divides an angle into two equal parts. Yes, angle bisector is what? Which divides an angle into two equal parts. Now here I take one example. Construct an angle bisector to obtain an angle of 30 degree. Means we have to construct angle bisector so that we get an angle of 30 degree. But we know that I already told angle bisector which divides angle into two equal parts, means whenever we have to obtain an angle of 30 degree, so we have to draw an angle, okay, of what? 60 degree, because when we divide the 60 degree angle into two equal parts, so each part will become an angle of 30 degree, and that is our aim. So for that it is necessary first we construct an angle which is of 60 degree. Okay, so for that first I draw an angle which is of what? 60 degree. So we draw a one line. Okay, next with the help of protractor we keep at that point, suppose we given the name to this line as a AB, then we draw an angle which is of what? 60 degree. Now here is the what? 60 degree. Okay, join the line. So this will be an angle of 60 degree, and now we have to divide this angle of 60 degree into two parts by using an angle bisector with the help of compass. So for that purpose, remember the procedure. So here is the point A. First we take an compass, okay, and we kept at point A. Okay, sorry, this point becomes C now. Okay, we kept the point of the compass on A, take a convenient distance, okay, and draw an arc which intersect these two lines at two different points, named to the points, suppose the P and Q. Okay, again next step is what? We place the compass at point now P. Okay, again take a convenient distance, okay, and mark an arc. Okay, we mark a first arc. Now same distance, only instead of P, now I keep the point of the compass at point Q and mark an second arc which intersect the previous arc or the first arc at this point. So point of intersection, suppose we name this point as a R. Okay, then draw an ray, okay, from the point A and join with the point R. So like this. Okay, so this is a ray AR. Now if we measure, now if you are observe, two angles are formed. Initially the angle CAB, which is of what? 60 degree. This is of one angle. Now we are using the angle bisector method and we construct angle bisector which divide this angle into two equal parts. Means now two angles are formed. Which are those? First angle CAR. Okay, so angle CAR. Okay, and second angle RAB. So this one and this one, angle RAB. Now we measure or verify whether these two angles are formed are equal or not. So for that again I take an protractor. Okay, first initially I keep. Okay, now if you are observing here, here is this angle is formed, angle CAR. So 10, 20, and if you are observing here the 30 degree. Okay, means angle CAR is what? 30 degree. Now we measure an angle RAB. So we keep at this point. Okay. Okay, now if you are observing angle this RAB, here again 10, 20, here if you are observing again 30 degree. So this will also 30 degree. Means angle CAR, which is equal to angle RAB, both angle measure 30 degree. And like this is our aim. We are constructing an angle bisector which divides a given angle into two equal parts. Now we will take one more example. Here example number 2, construct an angle bisector to draw an angle of 45 degree. Now we know that similar to previous one, here we have to draw an angle of 45 degree by using angle bisector. Means your angle will be what? Suppose here I am giving randomly the name ABC. That should be equal to what? 90 degree, because angle bisector divide the angle into two equal parts. So each angle is 45 degree. So two angles, they are made up of what? 90, 45 plus 45. So angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. So what is first? We have to construct an angle which is of 90 degree. So for that purpose, initially we draw a line. Okay. Then we take a compass. We kept at this point, measure an angle here is what? 90 degree. So we take a point, then join the point. Okay. So we named this angle as a ABC, and this is a what? Symbol of perpendicular or the 90 degree. So here the angle ABC is of what? 90 degree. Now again we have to construct an angle bisector. As I already explained, first take an compass, keep at point B. Okay. Then take a convenient distance in the compass, mark an arc. Sorry. We mark an arc. Okay. That arc will intersect these two rays BC and AB at two different points. Suppose P and the Q. Okay. Now this is the second step. Now what is the third step? Again take a convenient distance in compass. First keep at point P. Okay. Suppose I take this much distance and convenient distance. Okay. Then mark an arc. First I keep the compass at point P. Then same distance, only keep the compass at point Q and draw a second arc which intersect the first arc at this point. Okay. Now suppose this point is again, suppose considering the O. Okay. Then join the point B and the intersecting point O. Okay. So this is a what? Angle bisector. So definitely the total angle is what? 90 degree. So these two angles should be what? 45 degree and 45 degree. Again if we verify, so here take a compass, keep at point. Okay. Exactly. Now see 10, 20, 30, 40 and these 45. Okay. And this is 90 degree exactly. So here again if you are measuring angle ABO, which is equal to angle OBC, is equal to 45 degree. Okay. So I hope all of you understood how to construct an angle bisector using an compass. Thank you.